It is hellaciously beautiful out there, and it is getting to be that time of year to play with the dirt bikes and the quads and the boats and that kind of stuff. And one thing you universally always needs are tie downs. So let's talk about these. These are from Vehiclex. I like their logo, very cool. I do need to tell you, they supplied them to me to have this conversation, but gave me no instruction. Just so you know, I used to race cars professionally, traveled all over the country in every kind of giant truck you could imagine, tying down toolboxes, quads, golf carts, race cars. I have a lot of practice with all different kinds of tie downs. So let's talk about these. There's some key features which I think make these really good. Okay, so let's start from left to right and talk to you about these things. I'm actually gonna jump around. Let's start with left. This is one of my favorite things, which honestly, 25 years ago when I started racing didn't exist. And this is so great for tying all kinds of things down. This is obviously stitched, double stitched, 2 loops. Seems like a simple thing. Seems like you might be doing time with them or something like that. But these are so great for tie down points, right? Used to be you would have to like wrap this around the axle and then hook it back on itself. No more. You just simply take this, loop it over the axle, put it together, and then hook it up. It's that simple. While I'm here, let me talk to you about a couple different things here. Number one, so I'm a big, huge fan of this spring-loaded retention pin. It's got a nice rubber coating on it. It looks like it's solid. These things, I tend to break them. That tends to be the truth of it. But at least at the beginning, they're fun to have. Nice rubber-coated hook, solid hook here, right? Lengthwise, these are a good solid length. Not too huge. Sometimes I like to go a little longer, but because these are 1.5 inches, they don't really standard come in like those really long lengths, because 1.5 inches is solid. This is rated for 4,400 pounds. Don't ever expect it to hold 4,400 pounds, but it's rated for 4,400 pounds. I wouldn't ever go expecting more than a half of that. Like, don't stress stuff out, just not necessary.